educate people about the importance of mental health, provide platform for emotional support, and encourage open conversation about struggling that many individuals face but often keep hidden. Through the workshop, camping and peer support sessions, and collaborative activity, MHAC aims to build a community that is more understanding, empathetic, and mental resilient. Ultimately, our purpose is simple: to create a safe and supportive environment where people feel heard, valued, and not alone. As the president of MHAC, my primary responsibility is to provide leadership and direction for the organizations. I oversee all major planning, ensure that our mission is reflected in every project, and guide our team in working together smoothly and effectively. My responsibility is include first one, coordinating meeting and ensuring clear communication across all departments. Second, overseeing decision making and approving major plans or proposals. Third, representing MHAC is external collaboration with school, counselors, and community partners. The last one is supporting each team member so that can carry out their role confidently and successfully. Throughout the creativity of this NGO, I contribute by shaping our mission and vision, building the organization structure, assuming roles, and ensuring consistency across the entire project. I also work closely with my group members to compile our idea and maintain the overall direction of MHAC. My personal motivation and expected impact is I choose to be part of MHAC because mental health is an issue that affects many people, especially young individuals. But it's still surrounded by stigma and misunderstanding. I want to contribute to an NGO that encourages open discussion, provide support, and empower people to seek help without fear of judgment. My hope is that MHAC will create long-lasting positive change within our community. I want our identity to help people feel more support, more informed, and more willing to reach out when they are struggling. If MHAC can make even one person feel seen, heard, and understood, then our effort will already be worth it. Thank you for listening.
Hi everyone, my name is Eva, and I'd like to introduce you to MHAC, which stands for the Mental Health Awareness Club. MHAC's mission is to support youth mental well-being. We provide safe spaces where students can share their experiences, learn about mental health, and take care of themselves. To do this, MHAC runs peer support groups, stress relief workshops, and awareness campaigns to educate the community and reduce stigma around mental health. In MHAC, I serve as the Vice President. In this role, I assist the President, step in when they're unavailable, and help coordinate our team's activities to ensure our program runs smoothly. Being vice president allows me to support both the president and our team directly, making sure everyone can contribute effectively and that our initiative reach the community as planned. Well, the reason I decided to join MHAC is because I wanted to be part of something meaningful, something that helps students and strengthens the community. Through our work, I hope MHAC can bring more support and awareness and understanding to students, creating more compassionate and supportive environment for everyone. Even small impacts matter, and seeing them happen is incredibly rewarding. So that's just a little part about MHAC and my role as vice president. I'm proud to be part of this team and excited to continue contributing to the positive change we aim to bring to our community. Thanks for watching.
Hello everyone, my name is Hanafi Binono and I am the secretary of MHAC, which stands for Mental Health Awareness Club. MHAC is an NGO that focuses promoting mental health awareness, educating the community, and providing support through the various programs and outreach activities. Our mission is to create a safe, supportive environment where people can learn about the mental well-being and feel encouraged to seek help when they need. My role in the NGO as the secretary of MHAC, my main responsibility is to ensure that all administrative tasks run smoothly. I record meeting minutes, manage important documents, and handle communication within the teams. I also help organize report, keep, keep the schedules updated, and make sure everyone receives the information they need. Through these tasks, I support the team coordination and help maintain clear documentation for every program and meeting. So for my personal motivation, I choose to be part of MHSC because I believe mental health is something that everyone should take seriously. Yet, many people still struggle silently. So, by joining this NGO, I want to contribute to creating awareness and breaking the stigma surrounding mental health. So, I hope that through my role, I can help the organization run more efficiently and ensure that our program reach as many people as possible. Ultimately, I want to make a positive impact by helping others feel heard, support, and understood. Thank you.
Greetings to Miss Aisha. Today I'm going to present about our presentation about the NGO we choose, which is MHAC. Good morning everyone. Today I would like to share a brief presentation about MHAC, my role in the organizations, and what motivates me to be a part of this meaningful initiative. First, let me introduce what is MHAC. MHAC stands for the Mental Health Awareness Club. It is a non-government organization that focuses on promoting mental health awareness within the community. Our mission is to educate the public, reduce stigma, and encourage individuals to seek help early when they face mental or emotional challenges. MHAC believes that mental health is just as important as physical health and that everyone deserves access to support, understanding, and accurate information. Through our campaigns, workshops, and outreach activities, MHAC aims to create a more supportive and empathetic environment where people feel safe to talk about their struggles and receive the help they need. Second, I would like to talk about my role in these organizations. I serve as the treasurer of MHAC. As the treasurer, I am responsible for managing the club's finance, keeping accurate records of income and expenses, and preparing financial updates for the team. I also work closely with the other committee members to ensure that our budget is used wisely for programs, campaigns, and activities that benefit the community. My contribution is to maintain transparency and financial stability so that MHAC can carry out its activity effectively. A well-managed financial systems allow us to run events smoothly, support more people, and expand our initiative in the future. Lastly, I would like to share my personal motivation and the impact I hope we can create. I choose to join MHAC because I believe mental health is something that affects everyone, whether directly or indirectly. Many people struggle in silence because they are afraid of being judged or misunderstood. I want to be part of a movement that encourages people to speak up, seek help, and feel supported. Through MHAC, I hope we can bring positive change to our community by spreading awareness, breaking harmful stigmas, and providing guidance to those who may not know where to turn. So my hope is that our efforts will inspire more people to prioritize their mental health and well-being and support one another with kindness and compassion. So in short, Mental Health Awareness Club is more than just a club. It is a place for building a healthier and understanding community. I am grateful to be part of this organization, and I look forward to contributing to its activity.
Everyone, my name is Kevin Salvador Stanley, and today I'm going to introduce to you guys about MHAC, which is stand for Mental Health Awareness Club, and this is one NGO that focuses on promoting mental well-being, emotional resilience, and community support, especially among youth. And the mission of MHAC is to raise awareness about mental health, reduce stigma, and provide a safe space where people feel supported and understood. And our purpose is not only to educate the community but also to empower individuals to seek help, share their experience, and also build their healthy coping strategies. And overall, MHAC aims to create a supportive community where young people can learn, grow, and feel accepted regardless of the challenge they are facing. And my role in this NGO as the project manager, and my responsibility is like planning and coordinating MHAC program and activities, ensuring the team follow our goals, timeline, and core values. And the third one is monitoring progress and solving problems that arise during the project. And the second one is supporting members so that our works will run smoothly. And the last one is communicate with partners, school, or the community members. So through this role, I contribute that keeping the team organized, creating effective plan, and making sure that every event or campaign is meaningful and impactful. So I also help ensure that MHAC activities reflect on our values of respect, empathy, responsibility, and teamwork. So my personal motivation or expected impact when I choose to join MHAC, because I strongly believe that mental health is just as important as a physical health, and many people hesitate to talk about it. And I want to be a part of movement that encourages people to speak up, seek help, and support each other without fear of judgment. And my hope is that MHAC will inspire the community to be more aware, more empathic, and more open-minded when it comes to mental well-being. And I want to see also young people gain confidence, discover their strengths, and feel that they are not alone in their struggle. And in the long run, I believe that MHAC help create society that is kinder, healthier, and more supportive, where every person feel valued and heard. So that's all from me. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Najia, and today I will be talking about the mental health awareness, or we call as MHAC. The MHAC was formed because we believe that every student in every school deserves to be heard, to feel like they are support and like their value. Many people go through things like stress, anxiety, or issue in personal relation, but not all of them feel comfortable enough to open about it and share it. That's where MHAC comes in. Our mission is simple, is to increase awareness, reduce stigma, and make sure our students know they are not alone. MHAC would like to foster a greater supportive community in which help is always accessible. So my role in MHAC is I am the communication officer or public relation officer. In a sense, my responsibility revolves around dealing with anything related to communication and publicity. It covers 4 things. First, poster announcements and social media creation. 2, ensuring information about our program is clear and gets to our students. 3, dealing with communication beyond the club member. And the last one is assist in promoting event or partnership. I like to think of my role as the bridge between MHAC and the outside world. If you want children to come to our event, learn something useful, or simply feel like they are being supported in communication is very important to me. So my role in all of this is to make sure all our communication is attractive, clear, and gets to right to audience. So the last one is my personal motivation. I was inspired to get involved with MHAC because I care passionately about the issue of mental health. Too many students struggle in silence, and all they need sometimes is someone to listen and understand them. MHAC also allows me to make mental health something that people can openly talk about without being embarrassed. I want my students to know that help is out there, and that there's no shame in asking for it. My aim is that MHAC can truly be a supportive community that help give the student confidence, comfort, and sense of belonging. Even if we know MHAC can help one person feel less alone, that already means so much for us. Thank you.
The Mental Health Awareness Committee, or MHAC, was created to support and promote mental health in our communities. We believe the mental health is just as important as physical health, and everyone deserves access to informed help and a safe space to talk about their feelings without fears or stigma. Our mission is to raise awareness, provide education, and encourage people to seek support when they need it. By doing this, MHAC hopes to build a more understanding communities where mental well-being is valued and protected. Our main objective at MHAC including encouragement mental health awareness, reduce the stigma around mental health by promoting open and honest conversations, providing early support options, teaching people practice skills to manage stress, build resilience, and maintain emotional well-being, and encourage activities perspective for students and communities members in mental health. My roles is volunteers and community reach out officers. It's a role in organizations or clubs that focus on working with people, build connections, and recognize activities. The first one is I finding people who want to help in events or programs, guide them, explain texts, and make sure they feel support. And I also build relationships with the communities, which is MHAC, connect with school, NGO, local groups, and neighborhood. Promote my and our organizations, missions, and activity, which is MHAC. And promote our event, share information to social media, posters, and announcement. Encourage people to join and perspective in our MHAC club or MHAC programs that we do. Support teams member, working with other officers to make programs successful and help the team to understand what communities need. My motivations for joining the mental health awareness communities MHAC come from a combination of personal experience. Over years, I became increasingly awareness of how deeply mental well-being affects a personal daily life, shaping their confidence, academic performance, relationships, and overall sense of purpose. I have seen how people can perfectly fine outside while silently struggle on inside. This experience opened my eyes to importance of mental health, and that inspires me to take actions, role and supportive some kids. In my life, my friends, my classmates, even my family's member go through emotion difficult, such as stress, anxiety, and burnout. I think everyone do. In many cases, they feel uncomfortable seeking help because of stigma, through emotion difficult, such as stress, anxiety, and burnout. I think everyone do. In many cases, they feel uncomfortable seeking help because of stigma with mental health. Seeing people I care about their challenges in silence made me realize how vital it is to create safe and understand communities on where individuals feel encouraged to express their feelings without fears and judgment. I experienced so much about mental health. I've been burnout about studies, overwhelmings, and everything. This is the reason why I choose to be part of MHAC. This moment taught me a value of empathy. People around me also need help. They also strengthened my determinations to help others who may be experience similar struggle. This is the reason why I joined MHAC. Feels very, very meaningful to me. I believe that MHAC playing an important role in raising awareness, promote open conversations, which is really, really good for people doesn't know where to get a help, and promoting education programs about mental health. I am inspired by the community's effort to break down stigma and encourage individuals to seek help when they need it. Being part of MHAC, I hope I can collaborate it to these intelligibilities where it involves organizations, event, or promoting mental health, collaborations with counselors, or simply being with someone who listens without judgment. I want to help create a positive and safe environment where everyone feels safe and support and value also. In addition to support others, I also motivated by communities for personal growth, which is being involved in MHAC will allow me to develop my new skills and to understand other people too, and work together with the teams of people who share the same positions as me. I believe that through teamwork, conversations, and consistent effort, MHAC can make a meaningful impact in our life.